Moxi is a robot nurse assistant. It can reduce the physical and mental strain on nurses, improving job satisfaction and lowering burnout rates. Moxi can handle repetitive tasks like fetching supplies, delivering medications, and transporting patients, freeing up nurses for more complex care. Moxi can perform tasks in hazardous environments or with infectious patients, protecting healthcare workers. Moxi can work tirelessly, unlike human nurses who need breaks and sleep. Moxi can play music and tell jokes, potentially boosting patient morale. Moxi can help hospitals reduce costs. Moxi robots collaborate with humans to improve patient care and efficiency. Moxi can monitor vital signs, remind patients to take medication and provide basic emotional support, and improve patient outcomes. Moxi can provide companionship and emotional support to patients, reducing loneliness and anxiety. It can offer basic entertainment and educational resources, enhancing their stay. Moxi can navigate contaminated areas without risk, minimizing the spread of germs and protecting healthcare workers. This is valuable in isolation wards or during pandemics. Moxi can collect valuable data on patient vitals, medication adherence, and environmental conditions. This data can be used to improve patient care, optimize hospital operations, and identify potential issues early on.